Hi everyone, this is Tanya from linguacom, and today we're going to talk about how to save your time by using GPT to create classroom presentations on a variety of topics. I decided that the easiest thing to do would be to start from grammar presentation. Let's say we have a grammar English lesson for fifth graders. So what I'll do is I'll just write a prompt here and create a PowerPoint presentation for an English lesson for fifth graders dedicated to irregular verbs. Now I have to tell GPT how long I would like my presentation to be. Let's say we need 5 slides. There should be 5 slides. I think that is enough for now, and we are going to look what happens when we press this button. So the first thing that GPT does, it creates an outline of the presentation. We can see it right here. So there's a title slide, introduction, list of common irregular verbs, interactive quiz slide, and practice activity. That's very nice. Okay, so now I would like GPT to actually create the file. So I'm just going to prompt it and say create a presentation file. Include actual examples, quiz, and practice activity. Let's see what happens now. So now what GPT is doing, it's creating a Microsoft Office file, a PowerPoint file, that we can later download to our computer and use. Okay, now it's ready. And here's a download link. So what I do is I just click on the link and download a file. It goes here. And now I can open it and see what I've got. Okay, so let's analyze this presentation. So this is a title slide, Exploring Irregular Verbs. Not bad at all. An adventure into the world of English verbs. Wow. What are irregular verbs? Here's a definition of irregular verbs with some examples, which is nice. Here's some commonly used irregular verbs. Also nice. The text goes a little bit, it's a little bit out of the frame, so I can fix that easily if I want to. So yeah, this is what I do. Here's a short exercise. It says it's an exercise, but in fact, they're answers that we probably don't want on the slide, so we can just eliminate them. Now there's a practice slide. Let's see if if the practice that GPT created makes any sense. Choose 3 regular verbs from the list. Write a sentence with each of them in the past tense. Okay, that's a nice exercise. If you'd like to add pictures or illustrations to your presentation using GPT, follow me in my next video and we'll explore that as well. So thanks for watching. Enjoy your teaching. Hope it helps save your time. And of course, like, subscribe, and share this video with others who could also use this knowledge to save their time and create presentations faster. Bye bye.